Look at this beautiful trout.
Bingo. There we go.
Yeah, baby.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Thanks for joining Dances with Trout. Today I'll be fishing the Tarryall Creek at the Spruce Grove Campground in the Pike National Forest. Today this will be my first time fishing this section of water on the Tarryall Creek. It's the beginning of summer and flows are super low at 29 CFS. Alright, that's enough talk. Let's get fishing.
There we go. How you doing?
Tarryall Creek is a great early summer fishing destination. It was about this time last year that I put up my previous Tarryall Creek video, so it's worth checking out.
There we go. Ah, came off. Didn't get a good hook set.
This is some real low and slow water. Here the water trickles and creates mirror pools like this one ahead.
Got a little taker here, a little brown. Beautiful brown though. Holy crap. There we go. Ooh, you hit that one hard. I get that off you, good sir. Another one. There we go. That one came off. This fly needs some love.
Heading upstream, the water opens up a little bit. Now we're seeing some faster water here, seeing some pocket water and riffles throughout.
There we go. Just a little one. Little guys. Little guys. There we go. It's a beautiful brown right here. Hold on. Let's get this off here. Nice brown. It's probably the best. Oh, came right off. Sorry, right there. Yep. Oh, brown's right in here. There we go. And a beautiful brown. Sorry, buddy.
I worked hard on this fish. I spent about 10 minutes trying to get this one to bite, and it just would not take. Whether the right presentation or the fish just pitied me, the fish finally relinquished itself to me.
Nice fighter. Nice and easy, buddy. Let's get that off you. Oh, baby. Oh, baby.
And the Tarryall experience delivers again. It definitely pays to do your research with Tarryall. Even with limited public property here, you can still always seem to find a really cool hole to fish. Until next time, Tarryall.